Cardiff Central, Great Western Railway. See the beautiful building there. So, and M&S Food is part of that building. You can see Pret a Manger in this building. So, this BBC building. So I have a train at 7:18. You can see platform 1. It is calling at Newport, Bristol, and then then Swindon, Reading, and London Paddington. So it will reach London around 9:10. Waiting till 7:18. I took this train to Newport. From there I will take another train to Bristol. So I thought that is a better option because no need to wait another 14 minutes here. So I got a table, excellent. I'm getting down at Bristol Parkway. I got down this beautiful train in Bristol Temple Meads. So now I want to go to Indian restaurant for dinner in town center, Bristol city center. So same crispy dosa. So I will walk maybe 1.5 kilometers from Bristol Temple Mead station. So this is a beautiful train, GWR. This is Bristol platform 7. I have to go to go out. So left is toilets, out platform 1 to 4. I am now on first floor. This is a platform set basement. You see this station has started in the year 1840, so like almost like 185 years. Great. So during the 1840 is the same. Along the riverside, left-handed giant. So they're all pubs. Today is not Friday nor Saturday night, but still people are enjoying. Today is Tuesday night. So see the rush in pub. These are beautiful buildings along the river or canal, sorry, not river. I am going towards Crispy Dosa Indian.
Turn left.
Pure South Indian pure veg restaurant. So which I had dinner yesterday, lunch yesterday. So tonight I am going to have dinner again because tomorrow morning 5:23 I am leaving Bristol. So my train is at 5:23 to London Paddington. So from there I have to go to Bradford, my cousin's place. Now I have entered a beautiful park, very big park in center of Bristol city. So you see, this is the canal. Those are the bars and restaurants, pubs. You can see left-handed giant pub. Very nice atmosphere. So now I am in city center or park. Now I know the route now. So because I am daily coming here.
Turn left.
So now I came to Crispy Dosa exactly. So Google took me here without any issues. Thanks to Google directions, navigation. So this is Crispy Dosa, 100% pure Indian vegetarian restaurant. Authentic taste of Chennai. I am having my dinner. It is for £6. After having dinner in Indian restaurant, South Indian, so I am walking towards my hostel. So it is just 1 kilometer. It will take 15-20 minutes. It is 9 o'clock. You can see still light. So it is not completely dark. So because it is spring here in UK. So summer times. Daylight saving time, not summer, sorry. So you can still see the buses, people enjoying in High Street, town center. So I am going towards my hostel. So it is like from here it is might be 500 meters. That's it. So tonight is the last night in Bristol in this trip. So I have enjoyed So I have visited like Bath, Western Supermare, Taunton, Cardiff, Newport, and Swansea. So see the buses, they're excellent color. I like this color very much. Excellent. So we need to appreciate the color selection, color combination here. So they are awesome. So people enjoying in the pubs, sitting open outside. So because still it is not dark. Finally I came to my hostel, returned to my hostel. So I have started around 9:30, 9:40 in the morning today, and now it is around 9:30. So it is almost like 12 hours I have spent outside. So it's good. I'm happy for the hostel reception. It is small. So yeah, it is good. It's very cheap, £25 per night.